how to link and connect your GitHub account with your Upwork profile. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to upwork.com. This is the homepage as you can see right here. Now go to the top, click on your profile, click on settings. It will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to profile settings and now scroll down until you find linked accounts, and here you will find the GitHub. Click on GitHub and click I'm gonna sign in and click authorize Upwork social, and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.